right, now we're making preparation for this outdoor fire for cheering these pots and pans, these cast iron pots and pans. So, gotta get the hole dug, have it partially going, got it kind of cut out, got the basic shape, size, and now it's getting a little hard, kind of stiff here. It's not wanting to cooperate, so we got the cooperator right here. She's gonna cooperate, watch. Yeah, what I tell you. This is a cooperator. This will make this dirt cooperate. Cooperator. If you're not swinging your axe, your mattock, or your sledgehammer, sliding this hand down so that it gives it some leverage and impact. Start doing it, slide in your hands here at the top. As you come down, slide it down as it hits contact. You'll get more mileage. A lot more done that way. Shovel. A nice little workout. And it's down. I got a technique and a trick for that. So stay tuned for my technique for getting that base of the hole bigger. Alright, now my other cooperator. I'm going to make her cooperate. Get the base of this fire nice and wide, and that's what I'm doing now. Should I say the fire pit, nice and wide, the base of it. This is working smarter, not harder. Kryptonite. Water is kryptonite to your soil. Is it the best kept secret? That's the question. LOL. Alright. Get this nice and widened out down here. Now it'll do its magic. It'll do its thing here. This is the best power nozzle I've ever seen. All right, now let's cut this base in quick and easy. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut this angle inward. All right. Just cut it out nice and wide. Okay. We're just cutting her in, see? Cutting her in. Alright, we're going to cut it in there. Cutting the sides back. I'm pushing in, cutting the sides back as I go down. Hey, look at that there. Quartz. Quartz. It could be gold in them there quartz. Could be. You'd have to have a lot of them if there was. That's a fine gold dust in your black sand. Not everybody knows that. Only those that are into mining. Gold and black sand, yes, gold dust and black sands. Just need tons and tons of it. Okay, so I'm going to continue to work on this. I'll show you an update here soon enough. Okay, here we go. That's about finished. And for the other one, still in the rough, but moving forward. All right, here's the next one. Here's the completed one. Now, all right, hold on to this, follow it till the end, and you will see how I've how I'm cleaning up and the progress of the cleanup, cleaning the pots, the cast iron pots, pan, or muffin pan. You won't believe how well this secret sauce that I will reveal on Saturday of what I've used, but you won't believe the progress. It's really mind-blowing if you've never seen it. So watch till the end and you will see in detail what's going on with the cast iron in the cleaning process. So, and be here Saturday for the RG Homestead and Easy 2 tips and tricks, etc. Cast iron seasoning challenge, and we'll be going live, and it'll be all in. Tell a friend, but if you leave your link in the chat, make sure you're conversating with other people, asking questions for about 10 minutes. If you're going to put your link in the chat, it's the only requirement. You want to be commenting and making conversation, all right? It's a win-win-win. Tell a friend. Easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. Bye for now. Bye.